Inheritance in JavaScript is when one class can have access to the functionality of another class, standing on existing code, then modifying it slightly. In this example, we have a shape class. The shape class has a simple constructor that takes in a number of sides and the name of the shape, just a simple class. Then this triangle class that extends shape is where we see inheritance start to come into play. Triangle extends or inherits from shape, so triangle has access to all the functionality of shape. Since triangle inherits from shape, we can make the constructor definition simpler. Since the name of a triangle will always be triangle and a triangle will always have three sides, we can simplify the constructor functionality. Instead of this dot sides equals 3 and this dot name equals triangle, we write super 3 comma triangle. What this means is, instead of defining new functionality in the triangle class, for this constructor, call the constructor of the parent class, in this case shape, with the arguments that will always denote a triangle. If you went the route of redefining the constructor for the triangle and each new shape you wanted to make, you would end up copying and pasting a lot of code, which is something you want to avoid. Like and subscribe to learn more.